Hello everybody and welcome to Koh Samui, Thailand. We're doing a range test on the Autel Evo II Pro. So right now I'm at 4.6 miles. This is the previous max that I went on the stock antenna system. It was battery limited because I turned around at 70% battery. So here I'm going past 4.7 miles. This flight is being done with the Forhawks Raptor SR antenna. So I just had that antenna system installed in my remote. This is actually the maiden voyage of that antenna system. So 4.8 miles now. I did this test at 22 miles per hour, just the normal speed mode, just to see how it would work as far as conservation of battery power. Still showing 21 minutes of battery remaining at 4.8 miles out. Did this flight just at slightly under 400 feet above the water. Here we are at 4.9 miles, looking good. I did have the video weak signal message almost the entire time. It blinked on and off. Even if I had 4 bars or 3 bars of video and RC signal. So sometimes that is just an annoyance. They're gonna have to fix that through firmware. All right, here we are at 5 miles, still showing 19.5 minutes on the battery, holding at 22 miles per hour. What you're about to see on this sequence is it's gonna reach 5.1 miles. You're gonna see a low battery warning message come up simultaneously with the return to home message telling me it's about to come back and return itself to home autonomously. I go ahead and let it do that on its own right here. There's your low battery warning on the left. So we are going to go to 5.2 miles right here, still showing 20 minutes and 14 seconds of battery remaining. This is the only time in the whole flight that I lost a video feed. Anyway, it does its about face, as you can see on the little map thumbnail, and starts heading back. So a quick look at the Forhawks Raptor SR. This antenna system I ordered, it's about $150, plus or minus a few dollars, depending on where you order from. And it's a permanent solution built into your remote, so the remote does have to come apart. You can do it yourself. I had a shop do mine just because it was sort of included with the price. But you can see with it configured on here, you can still detach it from the unit if you want from the RC, but it just requires reconnecting when you go to fly. So taking a quick look back at the flight itself. But the whole flight took 28 minutes and 42 seconds. I landed back on the ground with 15% battery still. Max range that I got, which was obviously limited in this case by battery, was 5.2 miles. I did use the 22 mile per hour speed on the way out. I was set on the 10 hertz and smooth settings for the RC controller video feed connection. The main benefit is supposed to be that the Forhawks Raptor SR or XR, depending if you want to get the bigger one, is supposed to keep you a more solid connection quality, particularly in the video feed. I didn't have any video feed issues all the way out to 5.2 miles. Matter of fact, the first time that anything showed interruption at all of the video feed was when I had the gray screen come up when it pivoted around to return home on its own. But I do know that in the subsequent flight I did, which you'll see after this little spiel is over, you'll see some video I took after the latest firmware update to the Evo II, and I had excellent video connection the whole time.